let's set up week 9 together. I have just done week 7 and 8, which you'll have seen last week. I'm doing this in advance, so this is me from the past doing something for the future, which is actually kind of fun. I've never sort of set my planner up this far in advance and then pre-recorded it to go out later. So I'm still using the Planner Kate stickers for week 9, the last week in February. So many cute stickers. I'm so happy that I got them. I love all the plants. I love the different washi tapes that come with the sort of theme of the month. And let's get to planning this and then we'll chat at the end. Let's set up week 9. I have the sticker right here, so I'll be using pink, and it's back to real life, so I will structure it just the way I normally do, and it'll be pretty similar to some of the earlier structures that I have. Hopefully I'll get to use more of my stickers because I didn't use them for 2 of the weeks this month, and I've got a ton of really good fun stickers from Planner Kate. So let's set up week 9 together. These clip art pictures, drawings of plants are so cute. Unfortunately, I did tear one. I didn't realize it when I was picking it up, but I think I'm going to add the rest of them because they're so cute. I love these little hanging plants up here. I don't know if you could see when I put them in there. I realized that the camera wasn't showing properly, but I just love how cute they are. And they are kind of fun to just pepper around here like this and have them sitting on some of these like little, that one cute, maybe that one, maybe this one right next to it like that. So cute. So I'm going to leave the rest of these here so that during the week I can add them around any appointments and things like that. But these are great. I love the clip art ones. I don't always get these, but I'm really enjoying them, and I'm going to keep looking for these when a new monthly comes out, because those are really fun. So that is a quick look at week 9, and I can't set up the weather yet because it's too far in advance, so I'll do that later, and then I will add appointments and anything else that comes up as well. I love how this turned out. It's so fun. All these plants are so cute. I love them. So I'm so glad I purchased them and I got them in here. And these hanging ones, like I just said, are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. So yeah, so that's everything for the last week in February, I should say. I can't believe this is just flying now that I've put everything into my planner in advance. So thank you so much for hanging out with me for a quick little video as I set up week 9 and get ready for the future week. I will be back to fill this in when we get back from our trip, and I'm sure it'll be exploding with to-dos and laundry, all kinds of things. So I'm sure this week, while it looks really neat and tidy and just empty right now, is just going to explode in the future. So thank you so much for being here for this video. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up. And that should be week 10, which is March, which is so cool. I can't believe it. We are just streaming along in 2 months in at this point, and I can't even imagine because right now I have no idea how our vacation is going to end up and what it's going to be like, but I can only think that it'll have been so much fun, and I will be showing you that next week when I set up week 10. I'll be showing you a look back at all the things and how I filled in these planner pages from that trip and everything in between. So thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video, which will be week 10.